Planning your next holiday in Edinburgh, wondering where to find the city's hidden gems? Let's dive into the heart of Scotland's capital. Edinburgh, a city steeped in history, rich in diverse culture, and brimming with enchanting beauty, has more to offer than what meets the eye. Sure, the iconic Edinburgh Castle and the bustling Royal Mile are must-visit spots, but there's a whole other side to the city, waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path and you'll find yourself amidst the serene beauty of the Water of Leith Walkway. This tranquil haven winds through the city, offering a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle. Then, step back in time with a visit to the quaint Dean Village. This hidden gem, with its picturesque 19th-century homes, is an Instagrammer's dream. And for nature lovers, a stroll through the Royal Botanic Garden, a living museum of plants, is a must. Remember, the adventure begins where the guidebooks end. Now, what's a holiday without tasting the local delicacies, right? Edinburgh's culinary scene is a fusion of traditional Scottish fare and innovative gastronomy. It's a city where food tells a story, each dish a chapter in Edinburgh's rich history. To immerse yourself in the local culture, there are a few dishes you must try. First, there's haggis, a hearty dish with a unique blend of minced sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, combined with onions, oatmeal, suet, and spices. It's a dish that truly represents the tenacity of the Scottish people. Next, neeps and tatties, a delightful side dish of mashed turnip and potatoes traditionally served with haggis. And finally, the Scotch pie, a meat pie that's a staple in every Scottish bakery. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. Visit local markets like Stockbridge Market, where you can find fresh produce and homemade goodies that will surely satisfy your gastronomic desires. So don't just eat. Indulge in a culinary journey that speaks volumes about Edinburgh's rich heritage. Want to navigate Edinburgh like a local? Let's dive into the art of getting around this picturesque city. First off, let's talk about buses and trams. They're not just cost-effective, but they also give you a chance to enjoy the cityscape at a leisurely pace. Opt for a day pass to hop on and off at will, making your exploration limitless and easy on the pocket. But don't just limit yourself to wheels. Edinburgh is a city best explored on foot. Its compact size and pedestrian-friendly streets make it a walker's paradise. Strolling along its cobbled lanes, you'll stumble upon hidden corners and charming nooks that are off the beaten path. Plus, you'll have the freedom to pause, marvel, and snap pictures whenever you fancy. Remember, the goal is not just to see Edinburgh, but to truly experience it. So lace up your walking shoes, grab a day pass, and get ready to experience Edinburgh through the eyes of a local. Ready to unearth local hotspots and mingle with the locals? Edinburgh is not just about historic castles and quaint cobbled streets, it also boasts a vibrant nightlife scene. Let's give you a taste of the city's social scene. If you want to sip on some finely crafted cocktails, head to the Last Word Saloon. This cozy spot is a favorite among locals and offers a unique spin on classic drinks. Now, if you prefer a more clandestine vibe, Bramble, hidden beneath Queen Street, is your go-to. With its low-lit ambiance and an intriguing menu, it's an experience you won't forget. But the fun doesn't stop there. Edinburgh is home to a plethora of local events, shows, and festivals that give you a chance to rub shoulders with locals and experience the city's soul. From the world-renowned Edinburgh Fringe Festival to intimate live music gigs, there's always something happening. Remember, when the sun goes down, Edinburgh really comes alive. Let's quickly recap the essentials for your unforgettable holiday in Edinburgh. We've journeyed through the city's hidden gems, where you can immerse yourself in the history and charm that's tucked away from the usual tourist hustle. Remember, the heart of Edinburgh lies in its back streets, so don't be afraid to take the road less traveled. Next, we tantalized our taste buds with the mouth-watering local delicacies. From haggis to cranachan, Edinburgh's cuisine is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Don't forget, the local pub is always a good idea for an authentic taste of Scotland. Our journey then took us through the city's transport system, an efficient way to navigate like a local. And of course, we discovered local hotspots where the city's vibrant culture truly shines. These are the places where you'll find the true spirit of Edinburgh. With these insider tips, you're all set for an enriching and unforgettable adventure in Edinburgh. So pack your bags and get ready to create some incredible memories. Happy travels!